Welcome guys, Greenball back again with another reaction video. Today we react to Skengdo X Mad About Bars. So we'll check out this and see what I'm going to feed. First me react to that video and we're going to see what we're going to do, you see me? So do up all them like there, share in there, comment, all them good things there, you see me? So let's begin.
What's the definition of giving the streets what they want? You ask for it,
It's foreign cash, please.
let me deliver it. 410, crashes, AM, Skengdo.
Valley on when I step right, and then left. Would have thought his friend was a op.
Yo, me I like the style already. I'm say it all the time. I like when them come in with a cool flow, grime lyrics. You see me like when they're smooth and relaxing. Me I like it
I left
already.
his brethren for dead. We with a 9 or skidda with a 10. Aye, skidda for them.
Kick down doors, think again you mug. Did bow my kick down yours. My plug gives me the loudest bud. Chip that smell like yours. C4 push that B4T, the force will be on tour. The fans on my back, I like that though. Vids was giving them more. Shit then crazy, mad up, get splashed bro, open your thoughts. Switch inside, how many times? I swear down it was like 4. And it's any man across the road. Quiet down, you the one B4s. Feds on my back, they know we're breaking the law.
Man just love talk shit, get shot. Man's doing up goals in a pagan block. Girls love me and I love them not, cause I ain't got time on my hands that's long. Crash don't dance, man, you must be lost, man. 2-2 step or I 1-2 bot. Can I get a 2-1 wings in a box? That's a 1-2 mil for a 2-2 don. Trap hard, you ain't got no prof, man. Cross the road when I diligent bot. OT put my hands on box. 95
Yeah.
cause I'm on my job.
Yeah.
Feds came to my door at 1.
Yeah.
Try ask if I bun that.
Like, I better remind me of
No, shit there, Alamazon.
Smoky.
Can't remember his name
I love the
star.
elephant zoos. Better move for me, you ain't my G. No, you ain't getting no twos. Fuck ID, it's straight on sight. If I don't recognize you, rap, that's bro.
Me again. Crap. Me have to go down one time song, you know. I can't remember. I remember me trying to put nice when I video.
DD at the can, the ox them scared. Yeah, he was pressuring yous. No food in your belly, your armpit smelly. Plus you was stepping in loops. When you hear that bang, just know it's gang. Something like bombs on tubes. Everyone raps, everyone bangs. No time, I don't know these youths.
Get man
Yeah.
down if you don't comply.
Ah.
Back man's blade trying to take man's eye. Back man's
Yeah.
cause I back my guy and it breaks my heart when a man don't ride.
One of them say Batman. Are the knife my tabo? You have a knife named Batman? I'm not really sure now. I way my say me I try to work with you, see me?
Crash out a next man's house, no love for you. If he runs his mouth, yeah, I love this life and I love this bow. Switch off the next man's child, man. Run up in blocks like they ain't got lifts. Man's deep in the pond trying to catch some fish. Let me put it like this, they were never on piss and they're stabbing up kids and I'm sick of this shit. Man, I'm sick of these lies. Man, just pull up and fry. GD, that's bro, can I get that pole? Man, pull up and skid of the vibe.
Man, pull up and
Right, left, and then left. Would have thought his friend was an op car. He left his brother for dead. We with a 9, or skudda do with a 10.
410,
10.
410 business. 2 bunny. You know like that? Let's close the curtain in style.
Alright, what about the job? Something else?
You know we have to give the streets 2.
What?
Can't
Something
leave
more
with
calm and
just one.
smoother.
AM, Skengdo.
Swear that's
Let's take it there, man.
That's what I'm
Don't give me
feeling.
no chat. Shut your mouth, don't give me no chat.
Oh shit.
What? Speed it up. What?
I tell them,
Shing shao shing, that's samurai yam.
drill business.
No, matter. Shingai, Shing, that samurai. That is Chinese. Samurai, Japanese.
Damn.
Don't give me no chat. Shut your mouth, don't give me no chat. Blacked out, blacker than blacks. Shing shao shing, that's samurai yam. Real talk, don't give me no chat. Shut your mouth, kinda stinks, it's mad. Beef you wear, don't give me no chat. Shut your mouth for the thing gets backed. Hey, don't give me no chat. Shut your mouth, don't give me no chat. Blacked out, blacker than blacks. Shing shao shing, that's samurai yam. Real talk, don't give me no chat. Shut your mouth, kinda stinks, it's mad. Beef you wear, don't give me no chat. Shut your mouth for the thing gets backed. See the thing get back, levels go on, no face, it's mad. How can you switch and think you're bad? Was a bitch back then, so the bitch you gang. Running away, you're screaming out nan. 410 50 C4, that's dad. Better strap up, you won't be a dad. Feel sorry for the kids that's broken, it's mad. Hey, sweetness, come over here. Wind up a waist and bring it all back.
You hear the man say? Sweetness, come over here, wind up a waist and bring it all back. Yeah, the matter about it now.
Get up,
Because,
back it up, don't worry, I won't tell your man. Hey, sweetness, come
Yeah,
over
when I be the boy,
here,
man.
wind up a waist and bring it all back. Just
Bring it all back.
up, just back it up. Don't worry, I won't to your man. Skengdo, better know that's man. 3 rounds, that's bro, and he served them pats. Remember that day when we caught that guy? He pissed himself, you know that's fast. Man over there
Pissed
try to say
himself?
no jarring. When you was out soon working in flats. Throw up C's, CG crashes, F blocker, yeah, we come from dad.
Skengdo, why you so rude?
Skeng,
Hit my
why
chest
so
to the
rude?
blood
Oh,
turn blue.
oh,
Sparks my shit
what?
with the Egypt's head. He was upset because it didn't go through. Skid
Abracadabra. Abracadabra. Dude, this. Just remember. It's all like abracadabra. Same deep voice like.
See her one thing like hello boo. She was all peng, she was all cute. I ain't that buff, I'm an average you. And I know I'm an average don. But still I was mad as hell. Now I feel like Chucky. I just need my Annabelle. Sky News, but Bunny D just rang a bell. Came home looking fucked up. Now your mum wished that she had a girl. Gas guns, what's wrong with these fake youths? Chat, them a chat enough. Chat wax and he 82. 82, that's 82. Times 5, now we're on to you. Or 99, that's 81 plus 47 plus 22. Mathematics just adding up. Yeah, I'm
Very
just
cool,
stabbing
still,
up. C'est la vie. Très bon, that's panda. Aye.
Yo, my feel say for be a grime artist, you have to have the vice. The vice make it more better when you have a certain type of vice for the grime. And that's why I say the grime artist I kind of respect because them vices match the grime, the toughness, you see me? If you want to look at soft vice, man, you can't touch this grime, bro. Can't touch this grime, fam. Shank you.
Like fully, Buzz Lightyear and Woody. Like old school, you get hoodied. Man, cross the road and get bullied.
Don't give me no chat, shut your mouth, don't give me no
Give me no chat.
Black top, blacker than blacks. Shing shao shing, that's
chat.
Real talk, don't give me no chat.
Chat.
Shut your
Chat,
mouth,
chat,
kinda
chat.
stinks, it's
You know
mad.
that.
Beef you wear, don't give me no chat. Shut your
Chat,
mouth,
chat,
for the
chat,
thing
chat,
is
chat,
back.
chat.
Hey, don't give me no chat. Shut your
Hey,
mouth, don't give me no
give me no chat.
Black top, blacker than blacks. Shing shao shing, that's samurai yam. Real talk, don't give me no chat. Shut your mouth, kinda stinks, it's mad. Beef you wear, don't give me no chat. Shut your mouth, for the thing is bad.
Is that real?
That's real.
UK,
UK boys.
2 Bunny. I told you I was gonna deliver. We done it. Season 2. Let's roll out. Mixtape Madness.co.uk. Voice of the streets.
Boys
When
on
I
the street.
speak, the streets blood clot.
What?
Listen. But
You know what I'm
do
saying?
that.
Street blood clot. Listen, now I'm doing now. Blood clot. What did them? Alright guys, that's the end of the reaction video. I'm not telling you, I'm right there. I don't know his name because sometimes when them put out the name them, so I don't really know who is who. But I rate the one in the pullover. The one I pull over, I rate Theme Vice. You see me? Theme Vice come like it fits for the grime more. You see me? So yeah, that's the end of the reaction video. Nice, cool, mad. What? Let me again, I'm straight now again. Mad about bars, Skengdo X Me I wonder if Skengdo I wish one and I wish one. If I saw it go, I'm not really sure. Tell me if it's a group this or individual or what. Because guys, I never react to the person before. I don't know nothing about the person. Somebody tell me to react to it. Somebody I need some information. The person who request this, I don't want to watch it. Tell me watch what. You see me? So it's a reaction video guys. Peace out. Enough love. Smash the like button. Share the video. Turn on post notification. All them good things. You see me? Big up on yourself.
I'm an icon, and my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in a Benz.